Alright, I'm very excited because in this lesson we will build together a Pareto chart, a quality tool that Lean Six Sigma champions love. I want to teach you now how to create a Pareto table and a Pareto chart in Excel. You can use this tool for prioritizing in your professional and even your personal life. The Pareto philosophy says that you can achieve 80% of the results with 20% of work. I'm confident that this simple tool will empower you to prioritize and get better results in any area. Here I'm sharing the defects for laptop components in a fictional company that manufactures laptops. Given that the company budget and time are limited, which products should the company tackle to reduce the number of defects drastically and significantly improve the quality of the end product? Let's follow the steps on the screen to create the Pareto table and chart. The first thing you want to do after entering all your data here, and in your case you will have a different value in both of the columns, is to go and sort the defects for this column B descending. So you want to have, so you go to home, so sort and filters, sort Z to A. You want to have the highest number of defects on top. Then I will teach you a very powerful formula, and I promise you this is the one that you can use to calculate the Pareto percentage in one step. Just using one formula you will be able to do that. And this is, bear with me, it's sum, and you start from the first value and you want to fix this value. And again, if you have this, then select the first one and click on it, and now use F4 to fix the reference, and it will make sense shortly. So you want to have this sum, and you want to divide by the sum of everything, all the defects that you have here. Also, this should be fixed, and close the bracket. All right, so now we go to step 3. We extend the formula to all the rows by double clicking here, this plus, and of course we reach 100% at the end. We can format this to percentage, and I will teach you a shortcut. So you can use Control, Shift and 5, and here you go, you have the percentages now. Let me share more about this formula. So you can see here I have the sum that starts from B2 to B2, so basically it's just this cell divided by everything. But here you see it becomes obvious because you still start from B2, but you move to B3, so you have the sum of these two divided by everything. Let's take another case, the next one. So you have the sum starting from B2, which is always fixed, but now it goes to B4, so the sum of this divided by the sum of everything. In other words, these three items are causing 67% of the total defects. All right, and so on. So you here have B5, and at the end you would have B10 and B12. Now what you want to do is to click inside your table, your data, let's say, and use the shortcut Alt and F1. And you see already a chart was created, and it's a column chart, exactly what we needed. But the thing is that the data on the Pareto graph is too small to be seen. So let's follow the next steps, because you have here the columns, but you want to plot your Pareto data on a line type of chart. So you go to change chart type and select combo, the one at the end. It's a combo, stands for combination. And you see already you have the suggestion for the line. So accept this, and very important, select the secondary axis. And now Pareto already is coming into life. All right, so we have performed this step 6, and you wanna add data labels to the line chart by selecting the line chart, going to add chart element, data labels above, let's say. And here we go, you have also the table, you also have the chart. What is the outcome then? So by working only on the first two components, the company can potentially cut the number of defects by almost a half, as you can see here, just by working on the plastic case and pointing device. If the company will be focusing on improving only 4 out of 11 different components, so just these first 4, the company can tackle more than 80% of the total defects. So here you go, the Pareto chart made easy. It's a fantastic tool that can change your career for the better.